How to make your Twitter account private. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you the ways on how you can make your Twitter account private. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So in order to make our Twitter account private, first of all, we're going to go ahead and launch the Twitter app on our phone. So let me just go ahead and launch the Twitter app, and you want to make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can basically see that this is how the interface is going to look like. Now, first of all, let me just try to switch to the darker theme. So as you open Twitter, you can see this is how it is going to look like in the darker theme as well. Now, you don't necessarily need to do this. I'm just doing it just for the purpose of the video. What you have to do is on the very top left hand side, you can see your profile icon. All you have to do is tap on your profile icon, which you see. As you tap on your profile icon, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. At the very bottom, you'll find the section which says settings and privacy. So simply tap on settings and privacy, and again, you'll be able to see all these menu options. What you have to do is right at the fourth option, you'll find a section which says privacy and safety. So go ahead and then tap on privacy and safety. Once you tap on privacy and safety, again at the very top, you can see the option which says audience and tagging. All you gotta do is tap on audience and tagging, and in order to make your Twitter account private, what you have to do is simply turn on this toggle right next to protect your tweets. So as you can see, it says only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. So all of the tweets you tweet on Twitter will only be approved by the followers you approve in your future, and this is simply the way to make your Twitter account private. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.